Hi everyone, so we're going to see how we can search through our project file in different ways in order to find the file or a specific method or variable in our project. So first off, I'm going to create a brand new project, a Flutter project. I'll zoom in here and then I'll do cd desktop, Flutter create, let's just call it project search. Okay, and now that we have our project, we should find it on our desktop, and here it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag and drop it over. And now that I have this set up, now you can see all of the files and folders that I have in my project. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you different ways to find information. So first off, if we want to know our project name, we can go to our pubspec.yaml at the root of our project. Here we can see the name of our project that we named it and just other versions that we have. And usually these versions are incremented whenever you have an application and you upgrade it. I'll talk more about it in a future video. And then of course you have your dependencies. And so what we have here is we have a main.dart file. Let's say I have a folder with screens, and inside the screens I have maybe, I'll make it all here. So let's say home.dart, new file, about.dart, contact.dart, and I'm gonna just paste some code. So here we got our application. It's nothing special, I'm not gonna do anything fancy with it, but here you can see this is the home page, and here we got a method, we got some variables here, so we got quite a bit going on the home page. But we also have a few other pages that I've set up. As you can see on the left side, about, contact, and home. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be searching for files or information. I'm going to show you some easy ways and tips on how to do that. So first, we can come up here to the project search area, and if we click on it, you can see like a menu drop down shows up. Let's say you have 1,000 different files, so it's hard to just see it here. So what I could do is I could just start typing about, and you can see here I get this about.dart. So if I click on it, now I go to that class about. But what about if I want to find this change info? You can see here it's in the about state. So here it's in the about class and has this change info, but also the contact here, it has a change info. But let's say I don't know where it's located. So here I'm on the main page, and if I do Command Shift F on a Mac computer, all I have to do now is, let's say I know what it is, or let's say I don't know. It's just, I remember it's something info, so I can just type in info. And you can see here on the left side that I get a bunch of random things. You can search for all the stuff in your project. It's looking for that word info. And as I'm scrolling, you can see different project files and stuff that's going on. But I want to look at the actual files that, contain the code. So here I got this underscore info text. So now that I know it's underscore info text, there we go. So I got this about.dart. So let's see here. About.dart. Okay. See here. And there should be, let's see, info, text, if I remove that, contact, okay, this is change info, and this one is change info. Okay, so we're looking for change info, so Command Shift F, change info, there we go. So you can see here, I'm not sure what was happening before, but you can see we got that change underscore change info, and you can see it's showing about and contact, and when we click on it, we can see it navigates us to all the different areas where change info is located in the project, so it's now easy for you to look around where these methods are located.